Today we're learning how to perform operations on functions. To find the sum of the functions, we need to do f of x plus g of x. In finding the difference, we need to do f of x minus g of x. To find the product, we multiply f of x by g of x. To find the quotient, we need to do f of x divided by the g of x. Given the functions on the left, f of x is equal to x plus 3, p of x is equal to 2x minus 7, v of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4, g of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8, h of x equals x plus 7 over 2 minus x, and t of x is equal to x minus 2 over x plus 3. Perform the following operations below. For question letter A, v plus g of x. To simplify this, we need to do v of x plus the g of x. V of x is equal to x squared plus 5x plus 4. And we will add the g of x. And the g of x here is x squared plus 2x minus 8. And all we need to do here is combining like terms. X squared plus x squared is equal to 2x squared. 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x. Plus 4 minus 8 is negative 4. So the final answer to this problem is 2x squared plus 7x minus 4. Question letter B, f times p of x. For this problem, we need to use the f of x, x plus 3, and the p of x, 2x minus 7. So we need to multiply f of x times the p of x, which is x plus 3 multiplied by the p of x, 2x minus 7. And to multiply this, we need to do distributive property. X times 2x, 2x squared. X times negative 7, negative 7x. Now we distribute the 3. 3 times 2x, 6x. 3 times negative 7, we have negative 21. We simplify this further by combining like terms. Negative 7x plus 6x is equal to negative 1x. So the final answer is 2x squared minus 1x or x minus 21. So the final answer is 2x squared minus x minus 21. Question letter C. F plus h of x means we need to add f of x plus h of x. Our f of x is x plus 3 and h of x is x plus 7 over 2 minus x. So we have x plus 3 plus x plus 7 over 2 minus x. Simplifying this further, we need to find the LCD, and the LCD is 2 minus x. Now we need to multiply x by 2 minus x, the 3 by 2 minus x as well, and copy the x plus 7. Simplifying the numerator, x times 2 is 2x. X times negative x is negative x squared. Now we distribute the 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative x is negative 3x. And copy the plus x plus 7. All over 2 minus x. Combining like terms 2x minus 3x plus x, that's 0x. So the numerator is negative x squared plus 13. Over 2 minus x. Now we can factor out the negative 1 for the numerator. So we have negative 1 times x squared minus 13. For denominator, we factor out negative 1, we have x minus 2. And negative 1 divided by negative 1 is positive 1. So the final answer is x squared minus 13 all over x minus 2. Question letter D. P minus f of x means p of x minus f of x. Our p of x is 2x minus 7. Our f of x is x plus 3. So now we have 2x minus 7 minus the quantity x plus 3. So now we need to distribute the negative to the quantity x plus 3. We have 2x minus 7 minus x minus 3. Combining like terms, 2x minus 1x is equal to 1x. Negative 7 minus 3, that is negative 10. So the answer is x minus 10. Question letter E. V over g of x. This means we need to do v of x divided by the g of x. Our v of x is x squared plus 5x plus 4. And our g of x is x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now we need to factor both numerators and denominators. Try to recall factoring quadratics. For the numerator, we need to look for factors of 4 that gives you a sum of 5. And these are 1 and 4 because 1 times 4 is 4 and 1 plus 4 is 5. So we can write the factors as x plus 4 and x plus 1 for our numerator. Now let's factor the denominator x squared plus 2x minus 8. We need to find factors of negative 8 that will give us a sum of 2. And that is 4 and negative 2 because 4 times negative 2 is negative 8 and 4 plus negative 2 is 2. So denominator will be x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 2. And x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 is 1. So the final answer is x plus 1 over x minus 2. And here are the answers to these 5 problems. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.